Hi guys, good morning. How are all of you doing? So today is November the 3rd and I just made some tea and I ate my breakfast, and right now I'm just going to watch my lecture because at 2:30 I have a seminar, so I need to watch the lecture before. So, and it's kind of a sunny day, so it's kind of nice. Okay, so let's go and watch my lecture.
Before I start, I just want to say that we'll be going through the assignment brief.
Just finished hockey. Hi guys, sorry for the bad lighting in this kitchen, but I just got back and I'm prepping some dinner, so I'm making a quinoa salad. But yeah, after this I'm just gonna relax, and tomorrow is gonna be such a fun day, and because the last day before lockdown, which is crazy. But yeah, I just did hockey. It was my first time playing hockey again because I just signed up for a club because my university UAL is not doing hockey at the moment, and therefore I joined a club. But it was also the last time because we're going into lockdown, which means no hockey for me. And yeah, so that was quite sad, but really fun as well to just play hockey again because I haven't played hockey in like 8 months, which is crazy to think about. But yeah, so that was really fun. So yeah, I chopped up my veggies and I'm making the quinoa right now. Dinner for this girl. Yeah, this is the salad I made for you. Hey guys, so good morning. It's the 4th of November and we're gonna make the most fun day ever. So me and my flatmate Alex are gonna go for a bike ride in Hyde Park, and then my other friend who has an online workshop is gonna join a bit later, and then we're gonna go out for drinks and to a restaurant as well, so I think it'll be really fun. Yeah, we found some bikes. Yes, so and we bought lunch. Yeah. So we got our bikes and now we're gonna go bike in Hyde Park. She knows how to bike again. Okay, I don't really know where we are going right now. I'm on my bike. I don't really know. We're just gonna bike around and see where the day takes us. She's got the phone call twisted around her finger. She's a sight to see. See, Jane, why you staring out the window? Oh, with the red eyes, tell me his name has got you tangled up. Hi guys, so we just had dinner. We wanted to go out to a bar, but to be honest, we're super tired. I'm just gonna have some drinks at home. So right now we're walking at Oxford Circus and like Piccadilly Circus in between, and we're just gonna go home now.